You could spend a really, really long time on email, or you can put your inbox on autopilot with CX Assist. CX Assist could help you read and reply to all your unread messages for you as you. CX Assist responses are tailored and smart. It's like having your own personal assistant, but this one's powered by super smart AI. It helps boost your efficiency, keep clients feeling loved, and totally transform how your customers see you. Get started in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you toss in your knowledge base, pricing sheets, and more, enabling it to possess the same level of understanding about your business as you do. Step 2, you set the rules, how you'd reply, who to ignore when to escalate for that human touch, and more. Step 3, you kick back and relax. Seriously, that's it. CX Assist can save you valuable time while providing comprehensive business relief and support, and get the scale of a team with AI. Join CX Assist today and experience the power of communication at scale.